Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your lives. Guys, my today's video is all about Kutch work, Gujarati jammer, Sindhi embroidery, or Gujarati jama. These are the different names that are being attributed to the one embroidery stitch that is most commonly known as Kutch work. Friends, on your massive request and on your massive comments, I have been seeing and noted down that all of you are interested in Kutch work. So here I am with a unique beautiful blend of color combinations and easy to make Kutch work design ideas where you can make these very beautiful Kutch work or Sindhi embroidery necklines are for designing your shirts, for designing your peplum, any type of neckline that you use to wear as a top, for your blouse, kurti, kurtas, long length, short length, medium length kurtis, for kameez, and even you can make these to decorate your jalebiyas and abayas as well for a decent and delicate everyday look, especially Ramzan special. In Ramadan we used to pure our worships with a decent and elegant touch of everyday new clothes. So this Kutch work embroidery is a fancy and elegant touch of comfortable and easy to wear all day dress. I hope you will try these patterns. Only one basic embroidery stitch is used to make whole entire pattern, that is Kutch work or Sindhi embroidery, and you can also use mirror work to decorate them to give them a more formal and casual look as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments what you feel about our content, and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. See you soon in my new upcoming videos. Stay blessed, stay happy,